We're going to make a tray bake of zucchini and chicken in a gochujang sauce that we're gonna make together. In the bowl already, I have about a quarter cup of gochujang. We're going to add a sprinkle of light brown sugar. We're gonna thin it out and brighten it up with a few tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, a tablespoon and a half each of light and dark soy sauce. Light soy sauce is lighter viscosity, but saltier. Dark soy sauce is sweeter and has a thicker consistency. High temperature cooking oil, 2 tablespoons. Ginger and garlic. We're gonna grate the garlic and mince up the ginger and drop that in there. Now, if you were doing all dark meat, I would buy 8 to 12, depending on, if anybody in your house likes white meat, cut back. If you want 2 pieces per person, 8's plenty. 8's plenty. If they're all big eaters in the house, you might want to up it a little bit. And then chicken breasts are easy. 1 per person, easy. The ginger, I prefer to mince it. So I kind of paste it by hand when it's fresh, and I grate it when it's frozen. In. Okay. I've got here an example of the zucchini. The zucchini is a little bit larger this time of year. I scrape out the center, all those seeds, and you see how I cut them into batons about 3 inches long. So we'll finish up our job here. Put them away, prepped, make your own meal kits. We want 2 red onions, and just cut them into thin wedges, and see how I've left the little root end attached? That's to help keep them together on the sheet pan. Those go in. Boop. And now, last but not least, our chicken. Toss this around. I have the oven preheated to 425 degrees. Okay. Bring it on down the line. Okay. There we go. I'm gonna wash up, throw this in the oven. So now we're going to make the dressing with a couple of the same ingredients. About 2 tablespoons of the rice wine vinegar, or 2 turns of the bowl in a slow stream. And about 2 teaspoons each of the light soy sauce, 1, 2, and 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, 1, 2, and about 2 teaspoons of sugar. This is superfine sugar. 1, 2. 3 Persian or seedless small cucumbers, 3 radishes, and a small bunch of scallions that I've just finished chopping here on an angle. And then top it with about, 3 good tablespoons of toasted sesame seed. Oh, it's hot. I can't see you. My glasses just steamed up. How gorgeous is that? Come on! This is our sesame rice wine vinegar soy salad with the radishes. And then, I like topping a sundae. The sesame sprinkles all over everybody. There you go. How about them apples? Well, how about those cucumbers and chicken and gochujang?